Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Gmail or Meet. Google, Com, and signing in. This ensures your account settings and contacts are available. Click New Meeting, then choose Start Instant Meeting to generate a link immediately. Once the room opens, enable your camera and microphone and run a quick audio check by speaking and listening. This prevents delays. Make sure your browser tab has permission to use the devices, and keep the meeting link visible for the next step, where you invite your participant. Once the meeting link exists, use Add People to enter the other person's email or simply copy the link to your clipboard. This lets you deliver it through chat, email, or a calendar invite. If you schedule, include the time and time zone so everyone joins on time. When the participant clicks, you may see a Join request. Accept it to let them in. If they're in the lobby, make sure to check the participant panel and admit them promptly to start the call. During the call, control audio with mute/unmute and use captions for clarity if someone has trouble hearing. Switch layouts to focus on the speaker. When you need to show content, click Present Now and choose to share your entire screen, a window, or a Chrome tab. Choose Tab for video and audio. Once the conversation ends, click Leave to exit. If you're the host and want everyone to end, select End Call for everyone. If someone can't join, check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.